Good day, I'm Theodore Henry, and this is your JIS News for Thursday, December 19. Jamaica now boasts a new state-of-the-art voice communication system as part of its air traffic control program to provide a more seamless overflight service to local and international clients. The modern communication system is one of several features of the newly reopened Kingston Air Traffic Control Center at the Jamaica Civil Aviation Authority headquarters in St. Andrew. The $17 million center consists of a cutting-edge system-wide air traffic management automation surveillance system, a new global positioning system, a master clock and receiver, as well as an air traffic control simulator. At Wednesday's official opening ceremony, Prime Minister Andrew Holness said the investment is in keeping with the government's focus on developing the island's air transport sector.
As a result of our efficient, seamless, and safe operations, passengers, businesses, and other stakeholders confidently rely on Jamaica's navigation services for its contribution to a safe global air traffic management system and safe and efficient passage through Jamaica's strategic and highly traversed airspace.
French company Thales partnered with the JCAA on the undertaking. 15 new state-of-the-art immigration kiosks have been installed at the Kingston International Airport in Montego Bay, St. James. The kiosks were provided through funding from the Tourism Enhancement Fund with the aim of boosting efficiency and reducing wait times at the airport's immigration posts. There are now 35 kiosks at the airport. Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett, speaking at the commissioning ceremony on Saturday, said the new equipment have been provided in time for the winter tourist season. Jamaica is expected to welcome some 2.68 million stopover arrivals by year end.
We are now creating what we call a smart arrival arrangement for visitors. We're using technology to create a more seamless and facilitatory arrangement at the airport.
Mr. Bartlett added that work continues to make the ports of entry outfitted with the most modern, automated, and technologically advanced equipment. A smarter tourism experience with the implementation of e-gates and facial recognition technology at the points of entry. The Jamaica Constabulary Force will soon get a new divisional headquarters in St. Catherine. This follows Cabinet's approval of the acquisition of 5 acres of land at Darling's Pen in Spanish Town to construct the building. Minister with Oversight for Information, Carl Samuda, says the move is in keeping with government's drive to provide a suitable working environment for the security force while increasing its service delivery to the public.
That facility at Spanish Town, now that it exists, is in dire need of repair, and it does not provide adequate parking. So the decision was taken to find an alternative location, as an expansion was not possible in the Spanish Town location where it now exists.
Cabinet has given approval for the compulsory acquisition of land at 25 Main Street in Port Maria, St. Mary. The nearly 1-acre plot of land worth $26 million will be used to create a parking facility for the new Port Maria police station.
This will bring great relief to the entire area, and although St. Mary is not one of the areas that we find an upsurge in crime, certainly we need to ensure that across the length and breadth of Jamaica, the facilities are appropriate for the work that has to be done by the security forces.
And finally, 21 former wards of the state are now certified under the Youth Ministry's Transitional Living Program. The former wards benefited from an 8-month certification program at the St. Joseph Teachers College. Certificates were issued in commercial arts, information technology, and childcare, and are equivalent to Heart Trust NTA's Level 1 programs. At Monday's graduation ceremony, project coordinator Jacqueline Anderson Robinson urged the participants in the Transitional Competency program to strive for excellence.
No one can bring the best out of you than yourself. No obstacles can stop you from achieving your dreams. Don't give up and continue to push further. When you're tired of running, walk, crawl, or jump, just make sure you are not stagnant, my sons and my daughters.
And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Theodore Henry. Thanks for watching.